softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said.
Hi guys! Nandito nga po pala tayo ngayon sa Luwada. Namamasyal po tayo. Wala naman po magawa. So mamasyal-masyal na lang, diba? Para enjoy yung mga days na habang kabakasyon. Ito, dinala ko yung aking maliit na brush. Para itong brush na to is may salamin na. So, pwede kong magkita ang mukha ko kung meron something o wala. Since nakikita ko maraming glitters na dali kasi may glitter sa akin. So, ayun. So, yun lang po. So, sana nga yun. Yun na po yun. Parked po kami ngayon sa escalator para lang po ma-exercise ang dumami yung mga steps sa mobile. So ayun po, imagine ko lang po sa nangyayari ngayon. Paano kaya yung mga ibang taong walang trabaho? Parang ginagawa nila. Bagay na bagay ito sa akin. Siya nga po pala si Jack. Maybe you're thinking why this guy is not changing the clothes. Marami po siyang ganyan na damit. Pare-parehas po yung kulay. Kaya baka isipin niyo po hindi siya nagpapalit ng damit. What can you say now with this mall? Beh?
This is one of the beautiful places.
Are you sure? Yeah, it's really beautiful. Let's go. Let's go, Abe. Can't you see I'm in love? Can't you feel the love is blind? A little love, a little kindness in the dark. O sige po, kita-kits na lang tayo ulit mamaya.
We go rounding.
Mag-rounding muna kami para magkita namin kung anong pagbabago sa mall na to. See you later. Ciao. Hi guys. Tayo sa Abu Dhabi Mall. Wala akong magawa kaya Good evening guys! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa may gitna sa may gilid ng Abu Dhabi Mall. Kasama ko na naman si Jack. Hindi siya he's not on uniform right now. He's on the go. On the go today, right? Right or no? Ito po ang ating ka-outfitan today. Wala lang po kami magawa. Palakad-lakad lang kami sa buong ano namin, vacations. Siyempre, ano pa nga ba gagawin natin? Magtaka kayo yun. Mga nunal yan sa mukha na ayaw maalis. Naging nunal na. Today medyo nag-makeup tayo ng siya nga pala si Jack. Si Jack. Jack is so serious while walking. It's like, you know, even me, I cannot explain what is he doing. They said there is a good thing in doing the video, YouTube, something like that. But for Jack, YouTube is... What do you think with your video, Jack?
Very nice.
I think I'm gaining weight, right?
Yes.
Because only eating, sleeping, watching mobile cell phone. Especially, you know, Jack, he will start playing, he will eat around 10 o'clock. After 10 o'clock, he will wash face. And then after washing face, then he will start it. Either laptop, iPad, cell phone he's playing. He play everything. So me around 12 or 1 minimum, maximum I will sleep. But for Jack, I already wake up 7, still he's awake. So I don't know what is he doing. But what are you doing then? Take photo bucket. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang po. Medyo mahaba na itong i-upload ko. Ay nako. Ganyan siguro talaga. Ano ba dapat i-vlog? Pag hindi ka sanay talagang mag-vlog. Pero minsan, kailangan mo rin mag-vlog. Kasi pag anytime na may nangyari something, at least diba, meron kang another option. Diba? Option na pwede mong magawa. Pero minsan parang minsan din, parang magbablog lang, hindi mo pa magawa, diba? Okay, bye.